Morning students, welcome to the computer class standard 11. Today we start with lesson number 1, that is introduction to multimedia. Now what is multimedia? Well, the word multimedia comes from two terms, that is multiple and media. Multiple means many, media is shown in this picture over here. Now you can see in the picture here, multimedia has these different things. First is the text. Now when you talk about text, it is all written matter. Whatever we type, words, sentences, these all are text. Then audio is sound files, all the recordings that we do, that is called audio. It could be songs, it could be lectures. Then graphics means pictures, different type of pictures like JPG, PNG and all that. Then animation are moving objects and videos. Alright, so these are the different parts of the multimedia. Now we will discuss each one of them one at a time. Now you can see this picture is showing you different medias. Like you can see here, this is an image. Now this is actually the website of Gujarat Tourism, and in between you can see the temple, Somnath temple picture, which is in the animated mode. Then you have some buttons over here which are the interactive objects. When you click on them, then some actions are performed. And the written matter over here are the text. So these are the different elements over here. Now elements of multimedia. The first one among them is the text. As I already told you, text means written matter, words. Now what are the different formatting effects that we can do with the text? Well, you can make it bold, italics, underline, you can change the font. So all these things we can do. You can see the picture here, they are showing you simple text, some samples of text. Now this is important, you can mark it also. A typeface is a family of characters or letters which have similar look. For example, Times, Arial, Courier. You might have seen these words in the fonts, Then they come of different effects, styles like italics, bold, underline. Then you also have size, 12 points, 20 points, like this. So these are different text effects which you have used it in Microsoft Word, Notepad and all that. Then typeface is categorized into two. One is serif and other one is sans serif. So the looks are a little different. You can see in the picture here, they have given two samples. You see, what is the difference that you observe? Sans serif and serif. You see, serif has pointed edges, whereas sans serif has rounded edges. So these are different typefaces that are available here. Now to do this, what you can do is, you can try this out in practical. You need to open a blank document in OpenOffice Impress. Open the program of Impress, then go to View menu and select Toolbar, and from there you take Drawing. And in the drawing you will find an option called Font Work Gallery. If you don't want to do all this, you will get an icon of Font Work Gallery on the top. You just click on the icon and then you will see the screen looking like this. You see, so Font Work Gallery will open over here. Choose whichever design you like and then click on the OK button. After choosing, you can click on the OK button, and then this kind of picture will come on the screen. You have to double click on the picture and then you'll get that cursor over there. Rub the word font work and type your text. Suppose you want to write Gujarat Tourism. So you type Gujarat tourism and you have to click somewhere outside the picture here, and you will see that you have typed Gujarat tourism will be visible like this. Now you can see the dots around. Using the dots you can make it small, big, you can enlarge, you can scale, you can do different things. You can even rotate using that yellow dot. Okay, so this kind of formatting effect we can do in font work. So that is all about text. Next, talking about audio. Now audio is all the sound that we record. Now if you want to record your sound, as you do it in mobile also, you go to sound recorder, and when you go to sound recorder you get a screen like this. When you click on that red dot, your recording actually starts. Say you want to record your song, click on the red dot, start singing, your sound is being recorded. Once you finish, you click on that red again, so your recording is saved in the form of file. Now there are different kind of audio files which are listed in this table over here. You can see one is MIDI. This table has to be learned by heart. Then RM file, then WAV file, WMA, and your favorite, that is MP3 file, that is compressed audio format. So this table you have to learn. So this is different kind of files related to audio. Similarly, you have different image files. Now when I say image, it means pictures. You click pictures in your mobile, what is the format it saves in? It saves in JPG format, sometimes in PNG also. So you can save these files in different forms. Now you can see they have shown two pictures over here. First one is a bitmap image. Now bitmap image, if you enlarge, what happens is it does not look very clear. It gets blurred. So the image quality is not that nice, Now here are the different file that you can give. One is BMP, which is a bitmap image. When you store something in Paint, then it takes this format. GIF is graphical interchange format file. Then PNG is portable network graphics. JPG, full form you need to learn, Joint Photographic Expert Group. PSD is Photoshop document. Then TIF is tagged image format. So these are the different image file types. Again, this table also you have to learn properly. Okay. So that's about image. Now image also can be enlarged or reduced in size, compressed. You can scale it, you can rotate it. So these are different effects that can be done with the image. Okay. Next is video and animation. Now video you already know. We record any video. So a lot of pictures along with the sound is recorded properly. So these recordings can be done. Then next is animation. Animation is of two types. One is two-dimensional and the other one is three-dimensional. Now two-dimensional is bit flat, so it does not give a realistic effect, whereas 3D animation gives you a very realistic image. And you can see all these cartoon movies are done in 3D. Even many movies are shot where animations are given in 3D effect, See, they have given some pictures of designing the animation. Now you don't need to do it in practical. Now you can see here 3D object view is shown over here. If you want to record your video, how will you do it? Well, if you are in the computer or laptop, you can use the VLC player. Then go to media and select open capturing device. Then start recording and you record your video. Once you finish, you stop it. The file will be saved in the computer. You can give any name to the file, and that is how your videos will get recorded. See, they have just shown one video which is getting recorded. And now talking about the video files. These are the different video files. First is AVI, audio video interleave file. Then next is WMA, Windows Media Format file. Then MPG or MPEG. Then MOV, that is QuickTime Format file. RM, that is Real Video Format file. SWF, that is basically stored in Adobe Flash. Then MP4 is the most popular video file format. It's in the compressed form, commonly used by people. So these are the different video files. This table also has to be learnt properly. Next, talking about interactive objects. When you open any website, you will see many buttons over there, like click here to do this or that. When you click on those buttons, some action is being performed. Such buttons are known as interactive objects. Okay, and it can be in the form of text, it can be in the form of image, it can be in any other form, right? So these are known as interactive objects. All right. Okay, so today we will stop here. I would like you to read the chapter till page number 13, and in my next class I will continue from here. Okay, so read till here. If you have any doubt, you can ask me.